So the two guys that were actually arrested in Starbucks in I was Philadelphia is where I grew up. But they were arrested in Philadelphia Starbucks. They were actually taking Starbucks to court, and they have settled, and you will not believe what they have settled for. And it says, two black men arrested for sitting at a Philadelphia Starbucks without ordering anything settled with the city on Wednesday for a symbolic $1 each and a promise from officials to set up a $200,000 program for young entrepreneurs, and Starbucks agreed to pay for a college education for them. The men and their lawyers said the agreement with the city was an effort to make sure something positive came out of the incident. We thought long and hard about it, and we felt like this is the best way to see the change that we want to see, said Dante Robinson, one of those arrested. It's not right now. It's not a right now thing that's good for right now, but I feel like we will see true changes over time. Later in the day, Starbucks announced it reached a financial settlement with the men. The amount was not disclosed, but the chain said Robinson and Nelson will be given an opportunity to complete their undergrad degrees through a Starbucks partnership with Arizona State University. They will be able to earn their bachelor's degrees with their tuition fully covered, Starbucks said. Also, two men will be given the opportunity to discuss their experiences with the former U.S. Attorney General Eric Holder as a part of the company's diversity efforts. I don't know what happened, I can't talk, but okay. The arrest of Arson, Nelson, and Robinson on April 12 sparked a storm around the U.S. over racial profiling. They were led away in handcuffs and accused of trespassing after the manager called police saying that the men refused to buy anything or leave. After spending hours in jail, they were released and no charges were filed. Their arrest records will be expunged as a part of the deal. They were waiting at the coffee shop in the city, well-to-do Rittenhouse Square neighborhood for a business meeting with a third man about a potential real estate opportunity. I am pleased to have resolved the potential claims against the city in this protective manner, Mayor Jim Kennedy said. This was an incident that evoked a lot of pain in our city and put us under national spotlight for unwanted reasons. The entrepreneur program will be for Philadelphia high school students. Nelson said that he considered the incident a case of being the wrong place at the wrong time because of the outcome that can come out of it. Philadelphia Police Commissioner Richard Ross, who is black, at first defended his officers' conduct, but days later issued a televised apology for the way the Starbucks call was handled. During the uproar, the Starbucks CEO, Kevin Johnson, came to Philadelphia to apologize to the men. He also announced that more than 80,000 Starbucks stores in the U.S. would close on the afternoon of May 29 to nearly 170,000 employees can get training in unconscious bias. The incident proved a major embarrassment for Starbucks, which has long projected an image as a socially conscious company. They're a socially conscious company when it's convenient for them and convenient for their pockets. But they settled for $1 each from the state of Philadelphia. They want to get an entrepreneurship program going for high school students, and I actually love that they are making a way or a path for children to work for themselves and be their own bosses. And that's when you have freedom, when you can work for yourself and you don't have to punch in on somebody's clock. That's when you have full freedom and independence. And a lot of people resent working for other people. So there's nobody that's going to pay you enough money for you to be bigger than them or become your own boss. Know that when you're doing a 9 to 5. So I applaud them for actually doing that, because if you've been through the Philadelphia school system, which I have, you know that a lot of the schools of their after school programs and their just general programs as far as public schools are concerned, they have been taking a them away gradually, and that's a big issue in Philadelphia as far as schooling is concerned. So to see them want something different for kids in that area is very, very commendable. And I don't know a lot of people that would do that. They would rather have the money instead than to do what they done. So comment in the comment section and tell me, guys, what you think about that. Do you think that the $1 that they settled for and the school program is going to be worth it? Do you think that the Philadelphia officials are actually going to start these programs, because they didn't get anything in writing? All they got was the officials' word that they'll actually start these programs or put these entrepreneurship programs in place. If I was those two guys, I would have made them put it in a contract in writing. But that's me. Comment in the comment section and tell me, guys, what you think about that story. Do you think it's commendable? Do you think that they got their lump sum from Starbucks, so that's why they didn't go at the state hard? Comment in the comment section and tell me, guys, what you think about this story. I'm up out of here, man. Deuces.